BGP Meghalaya negasngi kalai tarik urampang rajar arbusau kalapun kuburam kerpang ya uba elhek ubadai menteri jang sorkar jela wad ubadairu MLA ka BGP na pentor kra constituency kajing pun kuburam ya uni urang ba kadai halor kajing yo jungu ya ka awat hagini kisngi ki baladep bat kumjuru shibun ki awat ki baulayo hakisnem ki baladem habakren hakini kesngi na kaliang uba elhek ulaong ba kajingyo kusnam kamdei kabakot jong kajingat lenti hanrai kadai kalenti kabandang ai mynsiem syu yau ba unya trai sitam na kabenta kipat ba ulai thuru ba kakusnam kaba kham kortor tam kadai ba uyo hakapor ba udon ha kajingpang ha kaba kurim jung I kala ai mynsiem I ba da jingduwai ka jong ulala man khot na kajingpang ba ulong kumba ulong menta da kejingker khu jong blai.
Actually, if I compare the awards that she has received by Kong Sibi Pasa, I am nobody. No comparisons at all. So I congratulate you, Kong Pasa, for all the achievement that you have done, not only for you, for the society, for the states, and for the nations. So like to thank also our spokesman. It's not the ends of your journey. But receiving of the award is the beginning of our journey. To work more force and more better for the deserving people. So that is why we are receiving our awards to work furthermore. Of course, I have received so many awards. But if you have mentioned a few here, like I have given the award by the honorable government at the time when we have given shelter for the hawkers. Then we had decided in our Darbar Stone golfing because there are so many street vendors in the golfing area at that time. Then they have given me the responsibility to build the hawkers market. And I would like to inform you, we have not charged 1 rupee also for the rent from that hawkers market. We have given all of them free of cost. I have also got the awards for the best minister management during the COVID. That is not me alone. We have the full team working right from the DHS that time, the commissioner secretary, all the directors and officers been working together. But I have been recognized one of the best ministers because we have been working days and nights to ensure the safety and the safety of all the people of the state of Meghalaya. Also we have, I know I forgot the place in the British when we went to London. Even the one mayor had invited me for the award. So that award also we have received from the mayor of London. Then now the Dada Saheb Phalke Awards. Dada Saheb Phalke Awards, I don't know from where they have been honoring me and from where they have been selected me, nominated me, and also they have chosen me to be one of the awardees from the state of Meghalaya for the best minister in the state of Meghalaya. Then I also got the best award, I'm telling you, in 2001 when there was a flood in Shillong. Completely the Pathrong Krai become already completely submerged. Completely submerged. Then they have seen one of the locality, the people are under the water. And the first person being the MLA and minister, I jump into the water and we swam into the water and we saved so many lives at that time. So many lives. After that, we brought it to the shelter home. We brought the shelter home, we feed them for at least 2-3 days until unless they are able to go back to their respective places. But I will tell you, my biggest award in my life, which I like to share with all of you who are present here today, but those who are not here also today. The biggest award that I received in my life, if I go back 35 years before, when I was not married at the time, I was suffering a lot from the tuberculosis. Bleeding from my nose and from my mouth, perennially bleeding very off and on. Then after that, 35 years back, I got married to my wife, Mary and Nongsi. After married, my illness, my sickness has not gone. Then I stay, because I have to stay in my in-laws' house, but my wife, she's the only daughter in the family. I have no choice to stay in my place, nor to stay to other separate places. But I had to stay with my in-laws. Then in-laws, I was really suffering that time. Neither I can make any source of income, nor I can do any work. I was really badly suffering that day. So one day, I told my dear wife, please allow me to go home. I feel shy to eat here. I feel really ashamed to eat in a house without any source of income. But my wife, she told me only one word. If you die also, you die here. I will not allow you to go home. That was the encouragement and inspiration that I got from my wife. Then after that, I have no choice. I'm completely at the fix. Neither I can go home, nor I can stay with my wife. Because I feel really shy to eat in the in-laws' house without any income. I'm a man, How will I go and eat my wife's income, my in-laws' income? If I cannot do any work, with no income, I really feel shy. Then I have no choice at that time.